Hey guys, Christopher Smith with LeBlond here. We're going to talk today about some parts and wear and tear stuff and where to be looking at. So as you can see, we've got a picture of our headstock, and this is just a breakdown of a 15-inch, and the 15s and the 19s are all pretty much the same. Even parts-wise, they're pretty similar. But what we're going to be looking at are the seals and what the markings are. So these X's, here you can see them pretty well. That's where your seals are. They're just set up here. And then down here you got a gasket for your spindle. So that's some of the stuff that that we're going to be talking about for this parts. Also all the bearings, the bearing symbols, all that. We carry all that stuff. We're doing a promo for it right now as well too. So it's just some wear and tear stuff. If you guys are in need of this stuff, we'll talk about these drive pins as well too for your brake. You want to check those periodically, maybe once a year if your brake's not working well. That's going to set your plate that's going to get pulled in by the magnet. And you want no more than 18 thousandths distance between that plate and your brake is the max that will allow the magnet to still keep on working. So the closer you get that, the better. So you might always check your pins, just make sure they're good. If not, get a replacement for them. Wiper kits for your beds, for the tailstock of the carriage and all that. Things to be looking out for. So now I've gone over kind of what those are. We're going to go out the shop, and I've got some of the parts sitting out of the cart. We're going to talk about a couple other things. So follow me out there. Alright. So like I said on them seals, all they are just these little green rubber seals, metal on the outside casing. And this is both of them that go on that headstock, you can see. Also the gaskets that I was talking about for your spindle on the back end. We also carry the one for the front, and the drive pins, the accessory pins. But one of the most important things you can do for your lathe to keep it running fantastic is changing the oil. We do recommend Mobile DTE 26 of the lightweight non-detergent hydraulic oil. And if you can't find the Mobile, most of your automotive stores like O'Reilly's, AutoZone, carry the brand Performance Plus, and you want to get the AW68. Another good thing that could help out there is you can pick up magnets from your local hardware store, just like this one here. You want to drop that down in your headstock, make sure it makes it down to the bottom, and this is going to help pick up all the soot and the crud and hold it instead of it being circulated through your headstock, or for your servo shift guys going through your servo shift and clogging it up in your filter. Just a great way to keep it clean. So yeah, that's it for this, folks. If you guys have any questions or anything you'd like to see in up-and-coming videos, please let us know at LeBlondUSA.com, and let us know what we can do for you. Thank you.